Bad bees on man, she wanna brock her back for the gang. But I'm too busy chasing these bands, you might find me with the pagans hang. I got this shot, he's impatient but I'm soon gonna land. He don't know rap, he just thinks I'm out and about with a gang. But if I ever told you my age, you look at me and try to tell me to change. But man can't change cause I'm knees deep in and my hands are grazed. I've seen man fight for their life, they're fighting their friends, we're all getting shaved. It wasn't just me that day, some unknown drillers can't say no names. If man got a rusty on me, man lift it and make sure my aim is straight. One shot, one kill or two shots, but I don't care cause I work both ways. Now fuck see me on the main street, don't jump out cause they might get blazed. And please don't get your head twisted, it's only the feds where I don't show face. Man you step, off these crap and leave bed juice on pave. It takes 2 seconds to back my chest, no aim and swing my blade. Still trapping the sun, no rain. Fuck the Wagons, them boy are lame. 4 man got touched, no names, but we be scoring the goals like Kane. I'm swinging, it's my 22-inch I'm swinging. Mission complete when I window chinging. I'm the YIC in the ends, you fucking mad, I don't need no bringings. I just need double L's and bando 100% in this game we're winning. This beef ain't dead, it's frying, I'll pull out my lap and this beef won't fold. Just know that the streets are cold, I'll back my blade and pierce man's coat. If I back the smoke, protect your chest and protect your dome. Bear man didn't stick to the code, now they got chinged up and they chill on their own. 15, I was me on the back of the pedal, the ram same size of my age. 3 of the guys in the